NDDOT maintenance personnel from across the state came together recently for the department's semi-annual training academy at Camp Grafton near Devil's Lake. During this week-long event, employees partake in classroom and hands-on equipment training to ensure that our maintenance personnel obtain the skills and knowledge needed to safely maintain North Dakota's highways. 33 students and 21 trainers attended the Fall Academy, which focused mostly on winter operations. This training event is a great way for some of our more seasoned employees to share their expertise with their peers. Mike Watson has been providing training at the Academy for the last 14 years and said, "This is a great chance to get everyone on the same page."
We talk about our controllers, how everything works, what they do, all the information we can get out of them. We go anywhere from the oldest trucks all the way up to the newest and latest and greatest features we have on our equipment. We also cover basics like on MDSS, so the operators know what to do in the winter with their materials for usage. We also cover equipment operations like payloaders, bobcats, any piece of heavy machinery that we have. Guys will get hands-on experience there.
Dean Brown has spent the last 8 years as a trainer and is tasked with teaching employees how to operate our fleet's tow plows. He said it's fun to watch their expressions once they have been behind the wheel.
And when they're done driving the course with me, the smile on their face, and they're just like, wow, it's like a kid at Christmas time. And they're like, how do I get one of these? And it's just amazing to see that transformation.
Since safety is a top priority at the DOT, Brown stressed the importance of making sure our staff is continually up to date on a variety of operations.
The technology is constantly changing, and we try our best at the DOT to stay at the leading edge of that, and we try to expose all of our operators, whether they have this particular equipment in their section or not. We want them to know that it's there, it's available, and to know that the training is available.
Perry Nisler became a trainer at the Academy 9 years ago after he was asked to fill in for another trainer. He said this role has become very fulfilling and he enjoys the camaraderie provided by the training camp.
The camaraderie, we get to see people from Fargo, Bismarck, Grand Forks, Williston. It gives us the opportunity to get together. The trainers learn from each other at the same time. We get to find out what is going on in another district. How are they handling things? We pick up tips and tricks of, we found a better way to do this. And so we can have that networking that we normally don't get.
It takes a lot of skill and knowledge to become an avid snowplow operator, and the Training Academy is just one of the ways our maintenance crews are able to stay on top of all the new technology.